Alright, andito kami ngayon. Akit kami ng Dambatong Bridge. Wala si Papa eh. Alright, dala ni Dennis ang kanyang mountain bike. Dennis, lakas ng hingal. Uwi na raw kami. Pero meron pa kami, meron pa. Sa picnic table. Okay, madulas yung aking tire. My tire just keep on skidding. Akala ko okay na. Hindi pala.
Naka-sports mode ka, ha? Ayan. Electric sports mode, ha? Sports mode. Yan.
I like this. Nag-skid yung gulong. Ayaw kumapit. Dumudulas, tol. Sabi ko, ganun na ako. Oh. Ay, ayaw. Dito, oh.
Yeah.
Pero doon, once na umaanda to, okay yung gumaganon. Pero dito, nag-skid lang. Hello.
Morning.
Good morning. Are you by yourself?
Yeah.
Oh. So what's your name?
Kevin.
Kevin, I'm Edwin.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. This is Dennis.
Nice to meet you, Danny. And man, that bike, is it easy to ride on that?
Cheating.
It's like cheating, you say?
It's electric.
Oh, it's electric. Ah, I see.
So I'm huffing and puffing. He's like, come on, let's go.
Easier for your back, I guess. Yeah. If you have back problems, yeah.
Yes.
Because when I ride my back too.
Mm-hmm. There you go.
It's relaxing.
And also you're balancing.
Yeah.
Yeah, relaxing.
So this is like my. I just
Oh,
started
this is-
biking like a year ago.
Oh, a year ago.
So I'm still like a new.
Oh, okay. We started. Kevin,
Yeah.
you'll be on my YouTube channel, man.
Oh yeah, go for it. Go for
Let's
it.
go for it, huh?
What's your channel
Because,
called?
Edwin Flynn.
Edwin Flynn. Okay,
Yeah.
gotcha. I'll search it. Yeah.
You're gonna be on my YouTube channel.
Oh, that's
Is
good.
that okay with you?
Oh yeah, that's fine. It's okay. I don't
Okay.
care. I love to see local vloggers.
Oh,
Yeah, I want to see more people in the area around here.
Yeah.
Nice. Good to
Here,
meet
here.
you.
Here's Kevin. We
Yeah.
met Kevin from Quarry Lakes.
Okay.
Alright,
Okay.
have a good
Alright.
ride, guys.
Hey, you too, huh?
Yeah, have ride safe. Okay.
Okay, nandito kami ngayon sa ano? Saan na naman to, Dennis? Saan ba to, Dennis?
Gimna ng kawalan.
Meron may pagkain kami. Pinakakain ko si Dennis.
Sa gitna ng kawalan na walang Uber.
Walang Uber, yeah. Dahil hirap na hirap si Dennis.
Saan pa to?
Hirap na hirap si Dennis. So, sabi ko, eto, Dennis, kain tayo. Huwag kang mag-alala. Marami tayong baon. Kaya,
Sa kabilang dulo tayo ng Coyote Hills.
ayun ang entrance, di ba? Kabila? O dito?
Dito, doon.
Sige, andito kami sa kabilang dulo ng Coyote Hills Regional Park.
Naku, papunta sa atin yung dalawang magkangkatae dito.
Nako!
Hoy! Tumihit kayo.
Oo.
Ihat tayo eh.
Dami tae. Parang ano to isla ng Palawan. 'Di ba? Yung nag-iisang ganun no? Palawan. Sa mapa, 'di ba? Nag-iisa lang oh. Tapos ang daming mga seagull. Oh.
Siga.
Tinatawanan tayo eh.
Upload ulit.
Ayun na ang Dumbarton Bridge. There you go. Malapit-lapit na tayo. Yeah, malapit-lapit na kami. We're almost back. Doon na sa Dumbarton pa lang. Hindi pa sa ano. Sa parking. Yeah, pabalik na kami. Dito na kami sa kalagitnaan na walang mawala. At ang tag dito ay Get swing po kami. Hirap na yung kasama ko eh. Sorry! Araw ka lang nakahiga rito. Yan, diyan ka sa likod ko para ano? Maano yung hangin.